Hello, welcome back friends. Welcome back. This is Tech Boy Saikiran. In this video today I'm going to show you the MySQL commands. So how to perform them and operators in MySQL between, not between, in, not in, these type of commands I will show you in this video. So new viewers, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So further, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, just open your MySQL app. I will give you this app's link in the description. You can download it through there and just type use TBS. This is the database I'm using, and show tables as deep TBS is an empty set. So let me create a table called account, and the attributes in it are, let me show you account number, ACC underscore number, and a type varchar. The size is approximately, I'm taking 10, okay, 20, let me take 20. And the next attribute is so let me keep this account number as a primary key, and I will provide its condition check account number like a of percentile, that is a percentile, that is it should be mandatory, that is account number, whatever the value which we are entering in this attribute should be mandatory. That means we should compulsory enter in it. And just next one is name. As you can see, this is the total attributes in it, and the query was okay. You can see all the name, varchar, and balance, and loan taken. Okay, let me describe a schema of the table account. This is the described schema of table account. Now I will show you how to perform. Just insert the values into the table which we have created called account table. Okay, insert into account values. Let me give the account number as A0001 and the name as Patel. Let me give Patel. Okay, whatever. Okay, not Patel. Let me give Jigar, Jigar, and the city he's living. For example, just consider this, and city is what city should I give? Okay, or okay, let's type Mehsana. It's the name of a city, and the balance amount he's having in his account is 50,000. Let me type, okay, 50,000 is enough. And a loan taken, yes, that means he has taken the loan. Okay, this is the first value which we are entering in the table, and similarly you can enter all the values. Let me show you. uh, the command is similar for all the entering values in it. Okay, so these are the 5 values which we are inserting into the table. Okay, you can pause the video and note them down and perform it in your computer or laptop, and just select star from account. That means let me print the table. As you can see, the table has printed here. Now let me show you the operators, using operators, how to perform the MySQL commands using operators. So here you can see the select star from account where city not in Ahmedabad. That means this command only prints those members who are not in Ahmedabad. As you can see, the table shows only the people who are living in Mehsana and Vadodara. So uh, next command is city not in Ahmedabad and Vadodara. This command shows those members who are not in Ahmedabad and not in Vadodara. That means this command only shows those people who are present in Mehsana. Okay, let me show you briefly. Just type select star from account and where city not in Ahmedabad, comma, single inverted commas, and Vadodara. This shows only those who are present in Mehsana, except Ahmedabad and Vadodara. See, let's just see the output here. The output generated is those people who are present in Mehsana. So this is the command we need to use to print in such a manner. So the next command in this video is select star from the table name is account, and applying the where condition, where, and the condition is balance between 50,000 and 1 lakh. Here the between which generates the outputs, those members who are having their balance in between 50,000 and 1 lakh. Just hit the semicolon and press enter. You would see the table which generates all the values. That is, the balance is between 50,000 and 1 lakh, including 50 and including 1 lakh also. So this is the output between. So let's perform a balance not between. Okay, just type select star from account, that is the table name, and the condition where, I'm just providing the where condition, balance not between. Okay, not between, what should I give here? Okay, not between 50,000 and 1 lakh. This shows empty set because the people who are present in the table are having exactly between 50,000 and 1 lakh, so it shows as an empty set. You can try it by taking some different values at your home. Please, you can also note down the commands and pause the video and note down it your notebook. Now just select star from account. This is the another command. Let me apply the where condition, where balance in 5,000, okay, comma, and the next value is 25,000, and the next value is 50,000. This command prints the particular value which we have given in the brackets. Only that value, if that value is included in the table, those columns were printed. So as you can see here, Jigar and Ramesh, they are having 50,000 as balance, so that table has been. That's all for now, guys. Those who haven't subscribed, subscribe and like the video. If any queries, comment me in the comment section.